What was that, Arya?
You want to pet this one?
You went poo poo? Okay, come. Come this way.
It's okay.
Come, hold his hands. Hold his hands
Oh,
so you
this
don't
one's
fall.
cute, babe. It doesn't
Look,
pour.
touch this one.
Ariane, take a picture with this one. He's nice. He's so small. Take a picture. Nice picture. No, don't touch his ears. Ariane, smile. It's kind of nice because he kind of gets raised like very like country versus like city, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a cow.
Like fairs, like zoo.
The cow has a hump on his back.
Why is it in the goat center? Why is it in the goat center?
These are both
like
cows.
fluffy, make me
Why
laugh.
is it
They
in
look
the
like a little
goat
dog.
center?
Mm.
They're all friends. The animals are all friends. There's a cow.
What is this, Arya? What is this?
Ew, he's bad.
You're bad.
Remember when he was young, he tried to ride it?
Yeah. So no.
Oh, Ariane, look, this one is a llama.
You're
Ariane,
gonna,
this one's a llama.
you're gonna spit on his face.
That one's nice.
A chicken.
Oh, look at that.
Mama pie. Mama
That one's scared, baby. Let's go find something else.
What's his name?
You wanna touch this guy? Look. Hey, you wanna touch this? Watch your face.
He likes this one.
Yeah. You want to pet the kitty? No, you're not interested? So, what, scary?
Come. Oh, look, there's a chicken. Oh, he's scared. He's scared. Oh, look, a baby, baby. Touch it. Here, come, touch this one. Look, look. Look, 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 look. It's nice.
Mama, nice.
Nice.
Mama, nice.
It's nice.
It's like kind of like hard.
Ariane, go in the middle of these two and take pictures.
Here, come here, come here, come here. Come over here. Stand over here. Stand. Want me to take a picture of you, okay?
Ariane, look, mommy.
It's a goat. You literally can touch it. Gentle touch.
Ariane's holding both their horns. Ariane, smile. Say cheese. You don't pull their horns though. Be gentle. That's a good picture. Oh. You gonna sit beside it? Okay, sit.
Not sitting, baby. There's poo poo.
You ready? Like that. Squat.
Okay,
like that.
sit. You can
Squat
sit.
like that.
Go low, go low.
Like this, like mommy.
Okay.
They're looking at each other.
Okay. You can sit beside it, right here. There's no poo poo here. Put your hands on it. Put your hands around like this.
Smile, hun. Smile. Cheese.
Cheese.
Big smile.
No cheese.
Yeah, you take pictures, I'm videoing.
A baby. A baby. Oh, mama. Mama. Mama.
There's
Hey,
more of
Mamo.
Ariane's alley, babe.
Hey, is that a new pony?
A baby mama.
Baby Momo?
Yeah.
That's That's pig.
Oh, pig.
Hey.
Let's see.
Whoa. No, she said it was mean.
It's a duck. Tatai, baby, tatai. No touching, okay? Haram.
Papa. I'm nice. I'm nice.
Yeah, this one's nice. You can touch this one. Yeah.
I'm nice.
Yeah, you can touch it. Go touch it.
Just a pig, babe, because pigs are dirty.
I can't.
No, babe, it's so dirty.
What's your mother?
Yeah, it's dirty.
For the animals, love.
Dada.
Look at the nene.
Oh, look at this one.
Nene, go take a picture with the nene.
I think this is the one he was talking that's bad or something.
No, that one, I think it's this one. She said ginger. She said ginger for sure, so I think it's that one. Let me see. Smile. Look at the nene.
Mama.
Ariane, I think that one, that nene is me. But the other ones is okay, but I think that one is me.
Let me go find out.
Hey, Meta, why are you making different noises?
You know what I mean?
Hey, Meta, stop.
What she did?
Meta, stop. Hey, Meta, stop.
Wait for the beep.
She keeps talking.
I'm nice. I'm nice.
There's a nice horse over there, maybe the brown one.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
I'm nice.
it's nice. Go touch it.
Hey,
Ariane, look at this thing.
a poo.
It's poo poo.
Ew.
Let's touch it.
A poo.
Wait. Stop. Let's go to this one.
I knew it was that ginger horse. A sheep. Did you want to see that name, the brown one? Yes.
Yeah.
Ariane, come. Those are goats. Are they sheep? I don't know.
It's nice. Touch it.
Ariane, look at this one. Look at this name. So Here, take
He's a
picture with
baby.
him, babe. Take picture with name.
A baby. Baby.
Smile, baby. Smile. Look at mom.
Cheese.
Oh, so nice, Nene. Be careful.
Oh, those are horses too.
What?
These little guys. Right here. Yeah.
Hi.
It's high.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cute. How'd this goat get up here?
Isn't this one the ashy one?
Hmm?
Isn't this the ashy one?
What, the aggressive?
Yeah.
No, she said ginger. It's that one. Ginger means like redhead.
No.
A nice. Dada. A nice.
Which one? Yeah, that's nice.
A nice.
Yeah. Touch it.
Mama. A nice.
Yeah, baby. She likes her home. Her llama like staring me down though.
A nice. Nice.
Yeah, watch the horns on you, don't fall.
Yeah, maybe.
I like this black llama.
Don't run up to them, huh? Okay, go slow. Wanna say hi?
Yeah, this black one's nice, an exotic look.
You're not scared of these giant llama. I'll be scared of. What is it?
Spider-Man, Batman, Wonder Woman.
Like, you think you'd be scared of this,
Yeah.
right?
Ew. A poo.
Yeah, poo-poo. Sell mommy food.
What do you have to offer? What do you got for food? I'm hungry.
There's a poo. Poo-poo.
You have poo-poo?
Yeah.
I don't want poo-poo.
You want some mommy poo-poo? Take money from her. Say, give me money.
What else? What other food
Say,
do
give
you
me
have?
money.
The poo-poo.
Say, poo-poo, corn, blueberry,
Poo-poo. Cone.
blueberry,
Poo-poo. Cone.
blueberry,
Baby.
blueberry, and poo-poo.
I
Moo
don't
poo-poo.
want poo-poo.
Tell her,
Poo-poo.
poo-poo for half price.
Not interested.
Tell her, give me money. Tell her, give me money.
Hooray.
There you go. Look, he's coming to get poo-poo too. He wants corn.
Go. Big cow.
Yeah, he wants cone. Say, shut up. Start.
Where like this one?
You're standing there on the slide?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Go, Papa.
It's okay. Come. Hey, you did it. Good job.
Mine.
Want to do more?
A poo-poo.
Yeah.
A baby boo. A pig.
It's a pig.
A pig.
You want to go see it?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
No.
I don't know. It's just better. It just falls on me.
Don't touch the water, okay, baby? It's dirty.
Hmm. Is a bee in there? Oh, okay. Bees in the water? Bee in the water?
Dada.
Baby, we mustn't come here on Sunday because you're going to be busy.
Yeah.
Okay? There are two situations. Careful, love. Aaron, don't touch your mouth and your face. Go see the chicken. What he runs for? He doesn't even know. Here. Aaron, does it smell? Does it smell?
That's the exit.
No. Is there anything else to do or no? Just to feed
No,
the
you feed the
chickens, right?
chickens after.
Should we exit or no?
Up to you. Has he had enough? Let him walk. He still
I
wants to
think
play.
he would stay for a while. I think he'd stay all day here.
Let him play around.
Um, um,
See what?
no. See.
See what, baby?
Huh?
I
See what? What do you want to show me?
A pig.
There's a pig there.
Yeah.
You want to touch it?
No. The pig.
It's a pig.
See the babas. Oh, there's a lamb coming behind
Oh, look. What's this?
Baba, come.
Oh, what was that, Ariane?
Baba.
It said, how are you?
Hey, I'm bringing us back to this area.
This is Momo. Touch it.
A
He went in the fed all over.
Small.
poo. Dada.
Ew, it's poo-poo. Want to touch the moo-moos?
Yeah.
Let's go. Up. Go touch the moo-moos.
Nice.
That's nice. What is that?
Moo.
Yeah, but they're like miniature.
Nice.
In India, they have the same types, but the bigger ones.
It's number poo. Dada, it's number poo.
Yeah, baby, they're stepping on poo-poo.
You want to stand beside the cow and take a picture?
Yes, do it, Ariane.
Okay, stand
That's
beside it
nice.
and then take a picture, okay?
Aw. Actually, remember the cows used to not really let you.
Nice.
It's nice?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mama.
We're going to pet his head. Pet his head.
No.
You serious?
You're so serious, it's that. No. Doesn't that remind you of me and you?
Michelle and me.
Look at me chewing. Don't touch the water though.
Look at Michelle. She converted to Islam with her with her beard. Michelle. Converted to Islam with
Yeah, be careful because of his horns. Okay, back up a bit. Okay. What can you tell him to come down?
Oh yeah, come baby. It's Owie.
Because you're in the back of it.
That one's mean.
These are exciting. You gotta be careful with their horns, okay? Oh, these ones are fighting. Ariane, these ones are fighting.
Oh shit. Look at the pig just casually walking by. Nothing to see here.
They're fighting over the.
Hey?
Yeah. What's a pig make that noise? Ariane, what's your favorite animal? Moo moo, neigh neigh, chicken.
What's that?
Chicken.
Inside the door. Inside the door.
It's the door. That's poo-poo.
Yeah.
Ew, that's nasty, baby.
Here.
Watch your feet, okay?
Mama.
Yeah, that's Moo. Look, Moo over there. Will we want to touch it?
No.
No?
A poo-poo.
It's poo-poo. Lots of poo-poos.
Whoa. The big. The hot here, really. How do you use? How to use? Yeah.
Ariana, you want to go back to and see the nenes over there? Where are you going? Huh? Ariana, Ariana, stay, take a picture. Go. You want to see the thing? Ariana, look, he has an owie. His horn broke. A horn is broken.
Hi, Mabel. Who's a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Oh, you want to scratch? You want scratches? What?
Nice.
What a pretty girl. Want belly scratch?
Yeah.
This one? Yeah, he's nice.
Nice. Mama, nice.
It's owie.
What are you doing? It's a girl pig too, right?
Adventure.
Be careful on these, okay? Because they're all uneven. And we'll
Here, Daddy, hold your hands, yeah?
Here, hold Daddy's hand because this is all uneven, so you'll face plant. Alright, let's go back to that area, okay? We've been here. Let's go see the nenes, baby nenes.
See? She likes that.
I don't even know the name. They can make the sausage now.
Mabel and sausage and waffles.
Huh? It's red?
A poo-poo.
Okay, go. You can go touch stuff.
No,
Go take a picture of it.
Dada.
Wow, he likes you.
And put it on its nose. Put the nene's nose.
Yes, hi.
Hey, look, it's going poo-poo.
What is that, his balls? this one? Ariane, come back, baby. Hey, there's like little things.
Here. Got that, baby.
It's pissing it off. Look at the chicken.
Shut the door.
Yeah.
Show, where do I put this?
Ariane, you cannot go in there. Come.
Ariane, come here. Ah, Tatai.
Dada, good night.
He's mean.
Me?
Should I save him?
Yeah.
Should I take him out of the water?
Yeah.
Okay, move.
He wants a kiss. Go kiss him on
There.
the snow. He's calling you to kiss him.
Good night.
Huh?
Good night.
Yeah, Daddy saved it. Look, it's there. See it? Right there.
Good night.
Huh?
Good night.
No, baby, that's dirty. There's poo-poo inside. Look, Daddy saved it. See it?
Sassy.
Yeah, look. Don't touch it, okay? It's gonna bite you.
What's you?
No, no, no shoes. It's mean.
Eat.
Huh?
Eat.
It's eating.
Yeah.
It's swimming.
Say hi.
No, baby. It's gonna bite you. You see the nanas? They're gonna kick you in the face. Come, let's go. Let's go. You had fun?
Yeah. It's you.
He's sleeping on the couch.
Oh. Me and Ariane saved the bee. It was drowning in the water. I took it out. Huh? Spider? Where?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man's there?
Ariane, come. Look at this spot. Look. You go like this. You like that? You like that? Can you help him?
Yeah.
Ariane, give me your hand.
Give me the other hand. Give me your hand.
You want more, babe?
No, that's good.
More soap. More soap.
No, baby.
Oh, there's things to wash our hands too.
It's okay.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Just like candy.
You used to have that all the time on you.
I know. But what did I have?
That thing. But you have your
on what?
backpack.
Oh. But there's like a specific spot for it now.
Yeah. You had fun, Ariane? Ariane touched nanas, pig, moo, chicken, duck, llama,
Fun, baby?
bunny.
Let's see ba.
Huh?
Let's see ba.
Yeah, you saw the bar, you said hello, you touched
No.
it.
No.
Ariane liked it.
Stop.
What?
Let's see ba.
You said bye?
He wants to go back.
Yeah, we come tomorrow, okay? We come tomorrow and we see the bow, we see the moon, we see everything.